This is the back door on my 2003 Ram 2500, and nothing in this door is working. The window hasn't worked since I bought the truck back in like 2016. So I've had this truck for a while. I did put the insulation on the door. I changed out the speakers a while back for these kickers. I've got it out right now to try to troubleshoot this. I was thinking maybe this was the reason why the door window wasn't working, because those wires were taken apart right there. So I just temporarily twisted them together, see if it'd work. Of course it didn't work. And then this speaker did work when I first put it in, but it has since stopped working, and I think I just found out the reason why. I just pulled out this boot off of these wires, and almost every wire in this boot is broken. So I'm gonna have to repair or replace all these wires right here. So it should be fairly simple. Should just be color to color in order to get them repaired. And then once I get these repaired, hopefully everything will work. The other thing that didn't work when I bought the truck is the door lock. The door locks haven't ever worked, and this window hasn't ever worked. But the speaker used to work, because I verified that when I changed that speaker out a long time ago. But now looks like I got a bunch of wires to start repairing. Apparently this is a pretty common issue with these Dodge Rams with quad cab pickups. These doors open up pretty wide, and the wires, I guess they just make them just a little bit too short. They're just so tight that they over time end up breaking inside of this little loom that they got here going to protect the wires between the doors. And you can see here on mine, 8 out of the 9 wires are broken. So I'm going to try to lengthen these just a little bit, and then I'll put some tape around them and try to protect them a little bit better, and then I'll pull that loom back over them. So far, the easiest way I found to do this is to push that loom inside the door. I had to get my hand through the speaker hole and pull that loom in and push the wires out, and then I was able to grab the wires, pull them the rest of the way out, and push that loom back into the door. That way I can get to the ends of these wires. Now I'm going to go ahead and see if I've got the same wire gauge. If not, then I'll oversize it slightly to connect all these wires back up, get this put back together, and see if anything in my door works. If I only would have known all those years ago, all I had to do fix those wires between the door and everything would work. It's a little weak going up. I think maybe it's rubbing on something, but if I help that window up, it'll go up. But it's going down now. The locks work. You watch this right here. And it never did that before either. So the speaker's working too, but I'm recording this on my phone, so I'm not able to get the sound going through the speaker while I'm recording on my phone. So I will call this a victory. Got this all working. It's going to take 2 hands to get that window back up, but I'm very happy with the results of this.